Hey there, and welcome back to another behind the scenes of a workshop. This week, something a little bit different. We were doing floating fruit. So you can see I had 3 different stations set up. I had it all prepped and ready to go for everyone to rock up. We had lots of stuff to play with. So we had 2 black stations and 1 white station, but we could swap them out and swap them around. We were using Godox AD200Pro speedlights. And we had everybody come in. So it was either set up with a strip box or double diffusion. Everyone was playing around with cutting up their fruit, stacking them up. We had pears, lemons, limes, kiwi fruit, berries, all sorts of things. And we were getting really creative and having lots of fun posing these bits and pieces with toothpicks and skewers and things like that. We also bought out my new mini fogger from Telesin, and everyone was having loads of fun playing with that, especially the fog and the dry ice. But we were just going around. Everyone was checking out everybody else's stuff and helping everybody else. It was fabulous collaborative event where everybody jumped in and somebody made something and somebody went, oh, that's fabulous, I want to get a shot of that. And then they would make something and somebody would go, oh, isn't that a fabulous idea, let's get a shot of that. Then when we were playing around, we brought out some wine glasses and we were doing sort of like some exploding cocktails or dropping fruit or ice cubes into the cocktails and playing around with that. So we were doing lots of different collaborative and creative things, and some of them were a bit of a fail. So we were struggling with some of the bananas, for instance, but we did get some fabulous shots of that. And here's my little Telesin mini fogger in action. So we were getting that and having, like, especially with the popcorn, it looked like it sort of, steaming hot, just popped. And so that was loads of fun to play with. So we had, like I said, so we had the 3 lights set up, we had 3 stations, and we were just changing from one to the other. So here's some of the final edited images that I got. I didn't take a huge amount. We actually used the fogger in the cocktail glasses, which looked amazing. And yeah, just playing around. So the kiwi fruit, the popcorn, so we had some on the black, some on the white. The lemons and limes, so we mixed them up. So we had lemon and lime in the one thing. The popcorn is great, it's fabulous. And that's pretty much it. Let me know what you think of the photos in the comments. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time on YouTube. Bye.